Would you drive 40 minutes for a 10-minute show? We did it with a toddler and a baby, so you don't have to guess. I'm talking about the SeaWorld drone show, which, by the way, you can watch for free from Fiesta Island. I made the mistakes, so you don't have to, and I'm giving you the exact parking spot for this video. So, hey, it's Jen, your mom friend with the know before you go. And quick heads up, I'm showing you footage in a sec, so if you want to be surprised, just listen to the tips and don't watch the video. No hard feelings. So let's do the math. It's a 10-minute show, and if you're in central San Diego, that's a 20-minute drive each way. 40 minutes in the car for 10 minutes of magic with kids who are already past their bedtime. So is it worth it? In my honest opinion, as a mom, yeah, at least once. Now here's where I messed up. We parked at the dog beach and walked towards the light tower. And listen, the walk was lovely, the air was warm, our toddler was having a great time walking in the dark, but there was like wildlife, it was dirty, there was some bugs, and you're wrangling two little kids, so don't do that. Instead, drive further down past the dog park towards the end of the loop closer to the exit. Just stay there, stay in your car, park well, and open your doors. You'll see it way better, and you can pull out the second it ends. A quick one before I give you the timing. Drop your kids' ages in the comments because I'm curious if I'm the only one out here with a toddler at 9 p.m. on a school night. And if you're planning to go this week, send this to a mom friend you'd bring. All right, so here's the timing. Get there at 8:30 just to get situated. The show starts at 8:45 on the dot. You'll know you're in the right place because the SeaWorld Light Tower shuts off at 8:44, and that's your cue. It runs for 10 minutes, and then when you see their logo, it's over. On the weekday is the move. We went on a Wednesday, and the parking was wide open. Daily shows run through August 9th, so after that, it will be weekends only. So the clock is ticking on these weekday ones. And honestly, watching it from the island made me want to buy tickets to see it from the inside. And I bet the audio paired with the visual is probably unreal. If you've seen it from inside the park, tell me in the comments. Talk me into it or tell me to save the money. Save this one for the night you actually go and follow more for these types of videos. Have fun, moms, and make this summer special for your littles. See you on the next one. And if you just want to stay to watch the rest of the drone show here, you can do that. But if not and you want to be surprised, I suggest you go see it. Okay, bye.